Hey there. Thanks for watching my Opinion Outpost review, where I'm going to help you answer the question, is Opinion Outpost legit? I'm Susie. I'll be your affiliate marketing informant today, and this Opinion Outpost review is based on my honest opinion of actually signing up and using this dashboard, answering some surveys myself, and earning some points. I'm going to take you with me as we research the company to see if it's legit, meaning will they really pay you for giving your opinion? And we'll actually take a look and see how it works. If you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. We'll be happy to answer them for you as soon as we can. So with Opinion Outpost, you simply join the platform, share your opinion with their online surveys, and rejoice by choosing your reward. We'll take a look at that in just a minute. The first thing I want to do is look at Opinion Outpost as a company. And if we scroll down to the bottom of the page, we can see they're actually owned by Dynata. So I did a quick Wikipedia search on the company. Dynata is used to track online consumers' website history to look for and collect data about their purchasing behavior. The company also composes and proposes surveys to its users to get more accurate and clarified responses from broad-based consumers. With gathered data, the company conducts market research to determine the trends occurring around the world. And if we take a look at their privacy policy, Dynata actually owns 21 other companies that they have listed out here in addition to Opinion Outpost. All of these companies are going to collect consumer information and sell that information to other companies. The way they get people to agree to do this is to incentivize them by earning points or taking surveys and earning badges. The important part of all this is they are going to take your information that you give them and create a profile to market or advertise directly to you, and they will sell that information to other people to do the same thing. Now, this is why advertising works. Companies gather or pay for information on their customers so that they can make more sales. It's why you get targeted Facebook, Instagram, Google ads, because companies are paying Facebook and Google for access to your personal information from surveys like these. So they know exactly who to show their ads to and make maximum sales. So to answer the question of, is Opinion Outpost a legitimate company? Yes, they are. Will they really pay you? It is what they do. This is their business. So you will be able to redeem your rewards. Now let's talk about how Opinion Outpost actually works. They tell us it's in 3 simple steps. 1, you're going to fill in online surveys. 2, you're going to earn points when you finish. And 3, you're going to redeem your points for cash and other rewards. But is it really that easy, and will you really make any significant money? Keep watching because you are about to find out. Let's take a look inside the dashboard. Once you've logged in, the main dashboard has all of your sections, any surveys that you might be eligible for, and then on the right, they have what you need to get started. You will need to come in here and fill out this profile. It is very personal information. So it's personal and household, your political information, insurance, leisure, magazines, utilities, finances, health, electronics, mobile devices. The information you give them is extremely personal and it will be sold to other people. So as long as you're okay with that, I don't see any issue with this. But accurate information in here is important. You can't come in here and lie, because once you start to take a survey, you actually have a pre-qualifying survey so that they can find you one. Once you answer these questions, you may or may not be eligible to continue on to the actual survey. I have not found one that I have been able to continue on to yet, and these surveys do tend to disappear, and then new ones will reappear as they get completed or no longer need people to take them. Underneath each survey, you'll see how many points you earn for each time frame. These times are going to matter for the rewards, which is why we're here, right? There are 12 rewards only available in Opinion Outpost. You can choose from any of these 12 companies to redeem a gift card of some sort. If we take a look at the Amazon card, you will need 50 points to redeem a $5 Amazon card. You earn 10 points every 15 minutes. So in 1 hour, you can earn up to about 40 points. As you can see, some of the surveys are a little different in the times with the same amount of points. So for the ease of this, we're just going to say for 1 hour, you can earn 50 points. If we look back at one of the bigger rewards, which is Home Depot, for $25, that's 250 points for $25. If you break that down, that is 5 hours to earn the $25 Home Depot card. If earning these rewards isn't enough for you, Opinion Outpost has also incentivized this, where you can earn badges and increase from bronze, silver, and gold with different actions and different surveys that you take. If we look at the badges section, if you hover over them or click on them, you can find out more information about what you need to do to level up. The last section on the dashboard is the Explore section. And this is where they give you the option to update your profile or learn more information about redeeming your rewards or earning your badges. So now that we've researched this company from inside the platform, let's answer the question we started with. Is Opinion Outpost legit? Yes, the company seems 100% legitimate. They're actually owned by a company that has 21 different opinion survey companies that they operate. And if you can find surveys to answer, you will earn points that can be traded for real rewards. So yes, Opinion Outpost is legit, but let's talk about the other important question. Will you be able to make any real money or redeem rewards? If you get past these pre-qualifying surveys and you actually do get to surveys, you can build up points over time that you can redeem for rewards. But remember, 1 hour is approximately $5. And to get a $25 gift card, you're going to have to work for 5 hours to get that. So this isn't going to be enough for you to earn to make a car payment or a phone payment. Maybe a little extra pocket change or lunch out while you're grocery shopping? And do you really want all of your personal, political, and health information sold to hundreds, if not thousands of companies who will be advertising to you day and night? Remember, if you are looking for honest and ethical ways to make money online, be sure to click our instant access link in the description below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And I really hope this Opinion Outpost review answered all of your questions. If it didn't and you still have questions, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.